This baby elephant was seconds away from drowning. As the sun dipped below the horizon, a herd began their journey across a dangerous river. The water moved fast, stronger than it looked. At first, everything seemed under control. But then, the smallest member made one wrong step. In an instant, the current took over. The baby was pulled away, struggling, fighting, disappearing beneath the surface. Panic spread through the herd. The mother turned back, her calls echoing through the wild. Filled with fear. This was not just danger, this was a race against time. The river showed no mercy. Each second, the baby grew weaker. But elephants never face danger alone. One by one, the herd moved into position. They formed a living barrier, standing against the force of the river. The strongest stepped forward, holding their ground, refusing to give up. Through the chaos, one reached out, a single trunk stretching through rushing water. Just inches away, the baby slipped again. But this time, they were ready. Together, they lifted, pulled, and refused to let go. And in one powerful moment, life won. The river calmed, the storm passed, and the baby was safe once again. In the wild, survival is never guaranteed. But with family, no one is left behind.